skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today's video is a special request from one of the Coach Julia Club members. She asked me for a tutorial on forward outside edge pivots. Now these pivots are quite a challenge. I will show you what they look like, and then we will break it down so that you can get the details on how this forward outside pivot looks. I'm going to do one from a standstill first. It's going to look like this. Okay, to start out, you're going to be wanting to put your feet in a T position. So I have currently, because I'm going to rotate counterclockwise, my left toe in the ice, and my right foot is in front of me on its outside edge. So we're kind of in a T. You can see that my hips are facing the same direction as my blade. Okay, so my hips and my blade are square with each other. I have my knees slightly bent, but not wide. They're close together. And right underneath my tush is my toe pick. So I want you to think about keeping your posture really nice and straight. Shoulders over hips, hips over toe pick, knees nice and close, and feet in a T position. From here, I actually want you to try this position on the wall. So let's head over to the wall. So here on the wall, we're in the exact same position. I have my back against the wall, my feet in that same T. What I want you to try to do is put your heel against the wall and rotate forward so that your toe is against the wall. So we're gonna practice that a few times. Heel, rotate to the toe. So you can get familiar with the position over here on the wall. So we're gonna first try this from a standstill. It's a little bit brutal, to be honest. This is not an easy pivot, but we're gonna start from a standstill. So we go back to that position that you've been trying with our shoulders over our hips, our toe pick under our tush, our feet in the T position, and our knees slightly bent. What I'm gonna do is press into my toe pick foot, and that pressure is gonna push down onto the calf of my opposite foot. So I'm gonna push down like a plie, and this knee is gonna push against my calf. And that is part of how I'm creating my initial motion. If you're doing it from some speed, it's gonna be slightly different, but we're starting this from standstill. So we're in our position, we have our knees really close, and my left knee is gonna push against my right calf. It's gonna push down, and that's gonna help me. Any downward pressure in figure skating propels you forward. Okay, so we're gonna push down and rotate forward onto that outside edge. Now, as you go, your legs are gonna separate, but some of the momentum is gonna carry you through. Plus, you're gonna keep pushing harder into that outside edge, and that pressure is gonna keep propelling you forward. So we start out with the knee pushing against the calf, but then you're gonna keep the momentum going by pushing into that outside edge. For me at this moment, it's a right forward outside edge. So we have our really good posture. Our body is just lowering as we do this, okay? So I don't want you going forward. Your pressure is gonna be all in the wrong place. Lower straight down. So we lower straight down, our knee pushes against our calf, and then we continue the pressure by pushing into that outside edge. All right, so there is an exercise you can work on doing this from a standstill. From a standstill, it's a gorgeous beginning of a program. Imagine your music begins and pivot and out. I mean, I love that. Let's take it a step further, and we're gonna do it from a hockey glide. So for this hockey glide, I'm gonna set up with my right leg in front on its outside edge, my left leg in back on its inside edge. If you've learned any other move from a hockey glide, the hockey glide is the same. In fact, I have tutorials just on the hockey glide. I can link that below for you. Okay, so from our hockey glide, instead of, if you're gonna do a forward inside pivot, your weight's gonna shift to the front. So this time, the weight's gonna shift to the back. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm in my hockey glide, my weight's gonna go to the back, and I'm gonna pop up to my toe pick. What you wanna do is make sure when you do that, you're not hiking your hips out. All right, you're not leaning, okay? You need to keep your body really straight. You're going from weight on both feet to lifting that back heel so you're on your toe pick, but you're still in your T position with the front foot. Okay, so we have hockey glide. Our weight's gonna shift to the back. We're gonna go onto that toe pick. We're creating our T position, and we open up into our forward pivot. From the version with the hockey glide, it can be a bit tricky to get out of it. You're gonna need to shift what you're doing with your upper body. So right now, my body is gonna be pressing into the pivot. So I am gliding with my right arm in front, left arm to the side. I'm shifting, I'm pushing with my back on this side into the pivot. To get out of it, you're gonna wanna rotate the other arm in front and then push. It helps you get out of the pivot without feeling like you're getting stuck. So during the pivot, you want to feel this shoulder blade pulling back into the spin. You're pushing, and that's helping provide some momentum, but then you're going to check out of it to push and get onto that exit. So we have hockey glide. I'm going to push with my right back shoulder blade. When I'm done, I'm going to rotate and then push onto my right forward outside edge and glide with my left arm in front. All right, now before we leave this topic, we're gonna step it up one more time to doing it with a drag on the entrance. This is gonna create a really big, beautiful, artistic looking maneuver. I'll show you what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna come forward in a drag where our toe is dragging into the ice, and then we're going to set that toe into the ice, push into our pivot, and check out. It makes it a larger motion. So let's go over the details. So for a pivot from a forward drag, what we're going to do is we're going to get into the pivot position, but without putting our toe in the ice all the way. So I'm going to be doing this counterclockwise. I'm going to put my toe just enough so it touches the ice, and you get this beautiful presentation look. I'm really pushing into my quads, so quad pressure. And when I'm ready to actually pivot, I'm going to sit back on that toe pick, and the rest of it is exact same motion as we've worked on already in this lesson. So one more time from the pivot, I'm going to get my power going counterclockwise. I'm going to place my left toe behind me in a T position, nice upright shoulders, good core control. I'm going to sit down into my left toe pick, push around with that nice strong upper body, and then check out. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial for your forward outside pivot. If you want more instruction like that in detail, in the correct order, you can head over to the Coach Julia Club, where I teach 10 different levels of skating, from falling down and getting up all the way through your double rotation jumps. And I will give you feedback on your skating. But if you enjoyed this video, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, I'm looking forward to reading all your comments in that section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.